Hello everybody, and welcome to the Two Ravens Detective Agency. Today we're going to be unboxing our newest murder mystery, Museum Nocturnus. This is from the Deadbolt Mystery Society. Haven't opened it yet. Can't wait to see what murder mystery we're going to be solving, so let's get to it. This is what's inside. Let's take a look. First off, we have I would kill for a cup of coffee right now. Museum Nocturnus gift shop. Ooh. It looks like there's a game inside. Connect the dots. Don't know what this is going to be, but there's also a box of crayons. Oh, on the back is a coloring sheet. Cuddle Bear. So this is going to have something to do with it. Next up, we have the beginning brief. What this does is it tells us a little bit about the mystery, what we're trying to solve. So I'll look at that in just a moment. Ooh, here's a sealed envelope. The Hall of Haunted Items. Do not open this until you're instructed to do so. Here's the grand reopening of the museum. And this tells a little bit about it, so this will definitely provide some clues for the murder. Father Richter Casey. He's a trained exorcist. Have to read this and see what is going on with him. Oh, we have another sealed envelope. Do not open until you're instructed to do so. Here's a brown envelope. It's open, so let's see what's inside. These must be this is a card stock. It must be a group of something. Father Billy Potter, Alec Birch, Virgil Todd, Martin Exeter. These must be probably some of the people who may be the murderer. That's my guess. These are probably the suspects. So we'll put those back in there. Don't know. But on the back, the little thing, you scan this. You have to have a password to get the information off of this. So we will see what happens there. Oh, another envelope. It says sealed. Do not open until you have been instructed to do so. And then the last thing I have is the card. This comes with every box. So it's kind of like a collector's card to show that you solved the mystery. And that is it. Let's see what the beginning brief tells us. After the tragic events at the old Montgomery farm, or the body farm as the locals call it, nearly a year ago, Museum Nocturnus found itself on the verge of closure. Museum Nocturnus is a paranormal museum dedicated to the cursed objects, items taken from haunted locations across the country, serial killer memorabilia, and other world artifacts. Seizing an opportunity to increase their presence in the paranormal field and gain in the respect they so desperately crave, Valley Falls' favorite group of ghost hunters, Stalk, S-T-A-L-K, decides to buy the Museum Nocturnus and use the profits to expand their operation. So apparently, Father Casey here has disappeared, and we're going to have to find out what happened to him. Well, that's it for this month's murder mystery. I will be back and let you know if I solved it.